Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing you how you can easily create news magazine or blog style website like this one. So as you can see on the screen, this website is pretty neatly organized, right? This looks super cool. So you can easily create this type of cool websites in just a few minutes using just one plugin. So let's just see how it works. So come to your dashboard and make sure you have the plugin PostX installed. After coming to this dashboard, simply click on the Starter Sites button, and here you can see there are pre-made templates for almost every niche. So no matter your interest are, you can easily pick a template and get started. So if you have the pro version of PostX installed, you can enjoy the premium templates. But if you have the free version, no worries, the free templates works just fine. So we'll just select the lifestyle magazine template here. And as you can see, there are a few options to start with. Like you can choose the color palette here. So let's say I love the purple color, so I'll just choose this one, and let's start with this font and typography. So after choosing this option, just simply click on the import site button, and here you can choose other options like, do you want to import dummy post or taxonomy along with this template, or do you just want to use your existing post? So we'll just go with the default settings here and click on the start importing. It will take just a few minutes. And that's it. Our website is ready to view now. So let's just check it out. And that's it. You have successfully launched your first ready-made website in just a few clicks using the PostX plugin. So what are you waiting for? Try PostX today and start creating your dream blog in just a few clicks.